everyone. Welcome to our art lesson. All you need is paper, crayons, and some found objects. You want to make sure that you unwrap your crayons before you begin for maximum rubbing coverage. Here are some found objects. You want to lay them underneath the paper and then gently roll your crayon over to reach your desired pattern. Wow, look what we've made. Now we're going to grab some other found objects that could add some interesting designs. It's really fun. Don't be afraid to mix colors to see a different design. And look at that! Our little classroom is done for today, and you can see what wonderful things we made with our found objects. Here are some other examples of what you can create to make your own living art.